one voice children's choir cover, My Immortal, by Evanescence. That's so cool. Nice tenor.
I'm so tired of being here, suppressed by all my childish fears. And if you have to leave, I wish that you would just leave. Your presence still lingers here, and it won't leave me alone.
Oh, she is
These
good.
wounds won't seem to heal. This pain is just too real. There's just too much that time cannot erase. When you cried, I'd wipe away all of your tears. When you scream, I'd fight away all of your fears. And I held your hand through all of these years, but you still have
Beautiful. Woo!
all of me.
Now they have such a rich harmony, man. There's this synergy going on between them. I think they are more than just a singing group. I think they really have a good bond between them because they've been singing together for a while, right? So you can tell that they have such great chemistry. Even in their voices, you can tell in their harmonies. That is so good. Chemistry is very important when you're blending vocals, man. This is so good, man. So they are the ages of 5 to 18. Damn, that's a huge range. You can get everyone in that.
All of me. Tried so hard to tell myself that you're gone. But though you're still with me,
Sing.
I've been when you cried, I'd wipe away all of your tears. When you scream, I'd fight away all of your fears. I held your hand through all of these years, but you still
Wow.
have
Oh,
all
man.
of me.
So precious. So precious. Wow. Wow. Oh, let me go back. Wow, 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 wow. They have such a clean like they have such a clean voices, man. Clean vocalization in terms of their harmonies. They sound like Voctave when they harmonize. If you guys know Voctave, Voctave is like premium acapella, bro. That was beautiful. That was absolutely gorgeous. I would have preferred them just leave the voices harmonized in the end.
All of your tears, I'd fight away all of it. Wipe
I would have preferred them leave just the voices, just harmonize in the acoustic, right? I think they should have just left it like that. I think, but anyway, either way, it doesn't ruin it. It doesn't ruin it. That's just me and my ears. That was beautiful. Beautiful.
wipe away all of your tears.
was something. That was something. One voice, children's choir. Definitely incredible amount of talent within all of them. Shout out to them.